everyone, welcome back. The other day when I was at home on Christmas break, I had this amazing epiphany where I remembered how amazing life is. And I remembered how wonderful it is that I get to do what I do every day, and whether that be going to school or spending time with people I love or making videos. I realized that so many things in my life today are things I literally only ever dreamed of, and I couldn't believe how much I was taking everything for granted every day. I have those days sometimes, and sometimes it's literally just a moment, like I'm sitting in the bathtub and I can't contain myself. I'm like, everything is awesome, and I just want to grab onto the moment and never let it go. And inevitably, I might wake up the next morning and something will happen, something will get in my way that puts me in a bad mood. Maybe a string of bad things happens, and it makes my day seem so much more cloudy than that moment I felt in the bathtub the day before, but that's okay. Today, I just wanted to make something that reminds me of that feeling. So I thought, what better way to do this than to just paint a bunch of things that I love. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I'm really liking this new style of art. I take watercolor markers and I put the pigment down onto a flat surface, some sort of a plastic, and then I pick it up with water and a small paintbrush, and it gives an amazingly cool look on the paper. I'm using some nice thick watercolor paper for this, which worked out really well, and I think the color that I chose actually perfectly represents me, because for some reason this pink color is all I can think about lately, and it felt so perfect. I did go in with a pencil to outline everything beforehand because I wanted to get the layout and the spacing as close as I could to perfect. It's still not quite exactly how I'd want it, but sometimes I get so deep into outlining something, I don't want to go back and erase it, which is kind of just laziness on my part, I guess. But sometimes when I'm creating art just for myself, I don't necessarily feel the need to make it absolutely perfect. I really also liked working on this piece of art because it gave me some more practice drawing kind of more detailed still life type of things. I used reference photos for almost everything that I drew, and I tend to be pretty good at being able to replicate what I see on an image, but I feel like it's always good practice to continue to work on that skill. I was also playing around a little bit with the shading in some of these, and that was really fun too. As always, thank you guys for all of your support. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I will have my Instagram link down below if you want to check out any more of my artwork that I don't post here on YouTube. And if you enjoy my videos, feel free to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It really helps out a lot. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this now that I finished it. I'll probably just hang it up in my room and look at it to make me happy whenever I'm feeling sad. And that's it. I'll see you guys again very soon in another video. Bye!
Turn your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts. And you're beating on my drum.